Today we are at the Brentwood location of Oxana Salon. This is Oxana's second location in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm so excited for you to meet this incredible salon owner and see this amazing space. Welcome to Bobbi on Beauty and Style Network. So what I want to talk to you about today is how you got started in the beauty industry and what your journey has been like since you came to the beauty industry. So how did this start?
My own hairdresser, I feel like she was the most successful person I've ever known in my country. And I don't know if you know, in Moldova, it's really hard to break through, especially as a woman. Also, my boyfriend at the time, his mom was a hairdresser. So everybody around me were having fun, they were making good money, and they felt a sense of community and giving back and just connecting with people. And also my dad, again, he was a local barber. He was not doing it for money, but he was just doing it giving back to the community. He was doing men's cuts, women's cuts, just super simple.
Like so, in your house?
In our house, yeah. You would have a bad towel that you just put around you. And that was it. So I was always fascinated with his tools. He only had the clipper, you know, for men's cuts and just regular scissors. I mean, I've tried many times, and I did my aunts in villages. They lived in the small villages, and I would just butcher them, doing pixie cuts and long cut. I feel like long cuts, you can manage it, but man, those pixie and men's cuts, they were complicated. I loved it, and after 9th grade, I was on to the journey and started my career, and my mom was like, you just can't do that. You gotta finish high school. You're not a loser. After high school, I got a scholarship, so I had to go to college since I got the free education.
Yeah.
But then a year into it, I got an opportunity to come to the United States, and that's where it started, kind of. I went quickly, probably in a few years. I found a local school, and I started my journey, and I never looked back.
That's awesome. So we're here today in the second location.
Yes.
So this isn't just like your first salon or anything.
No.
This is your second location.
Yeah.
So I love that you've opened this space. How has that been, having two locations and managing two different locations?
So yeah, we opened our Nashville location in February 2019, and we grew so fast. And we were just a 7-chair salon, working around the clock, rotating people. And we were at the point where over 30 people in that 1,400 square feet location. This location, after COVID, kind of had to close down. They had a long journey of 25 years, and they were on their way to exit this industry. And some friends connected us, and there we are again.
Yeah.
At 45 employees.
So I know that you all do a lot to give back to the community and that you have such a presence here in Nashville, but speak to me a little bit about kind of what you have or what you're doing to give back and what involvement you have.
Community is huge for us, and I used to work with the nonprofit Songs Against Slavery with sex trafficking survivors, just kind of doing their hair and giving them an opportunity to make a choice, because they never got to choose anything in their life, and that's super important for me. I feel so obligated to help my own country, and that's what my country is known for, the slavery and good wine. I don't know, my dream is actually to take some of my employees and take them to my country and go to the safe houses and orphanages and just kind of inspire young girls and give them a purpose. Yeah. And maybe make them fall in love with this career, because it's so much fun and so fulfilling. And trying to maybe have an annual raising money so we can sponsor the girls from back home so they can go to the beauty school. If I can inspire my daughter too, and for her to see, even if you're a woman, you can do anything and you can achieve anything and have a great people around you, that's another big reason.
Yeah. I think it's so amazing that you want to connect where you are to where you're from. I think that that's so important, that you haven't just shut that door and forgot where you came from. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out Oxana Salon in Nashville, Tennessee. For more inspiring stories from the beauty industry, be sure to subscribe to Beauty and Style Network.